Hello guys, good evening. Congratulations to everyone that plays today game. Yeah, it's been a very successful day. We gave out 4 tickets in our VIP, and out of the 4 tickets, 3 of the tickets are won so far. And this is the third ticket for today that I've won. You can see winning ticket everywhere. A lot of winning ticket from 2 odds to 5 odds, 7 odds, all of them won. So congratulations if you have played this game. One of the biggest winner here in Kenya won 10,000 Kenyan shillings. A lot of winnings here, 3,000 Ghana cedis here. A lot of winnings has been happening since our morning. So if you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp, and then I will see you guys in the VIP section. So guys, tomorrow I will drop another ticket. Hopefully we'll also make some money. So I will see you in the comment section, and I will expect you to drop your winning ticket if you've been part of the people that I want today. So I'll see you later. And then if you want to join our VIP, chat me up on WhatsApp. Thank you so much, and remain blessed.